What to you is known as the aha moment when meeting with management?
Yes, that's a really good question. I think what I like to see is that they're careful with their money. So I remember,
I mean, if they don't want to pay for goods and
yeah,
services,
or they're,
or
they're,
if they
they're
don't
the,
want to sign a contract for too much money.
right, or they're cheap about things like that. So even when you go to their corporate office and you see places that are relatively ordinary, right? I mean, it speaks to what their focus is. And if you go to someplace else and it's really ornate and they've got the best technical equipment and they've got beautiful furniture and they drive great cars, that's it's a different culture.
I have an opinion of you in this interview. For a young guy, you have old school thoughts and ways about you.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I mean, I started as a banker, and I learned from. I started with blue blood banks that catered to old family money, and so they had these really old-fashioned, grounded notions about how to do business and
But
what
yet they
works.
were simple.
They were simple. That's really key. You know, I always tell people that the best investors are the ones who can reduce it down to the essentials. A lot of people get lost in the weeds and they're worried about this quarterly earning report, or they're worried about something that's going on in China, and people get really unfocused.
Sidestepped.
Sidesteps, sure.